The key points for the assembly of a motor grader's rear axle. Installation of bushing. Apply a mixture of diesel engine oil and lithium-based grease on the outer wall of the flange. Apply a mixture of diesel engine oil and lithium-based grease on the inner wall of the side box. Install the bushing onto the flange, with the cutting direction of the bushing at 180 degrees. Install the flange into the side box. Add lubricating oil. Before installing the half shaft, add 100 ml of drive axle oil to the flange from the side of the rear axle to ensure sufficient lubrication of the axle bush during operation. The other side of the rear axle also needs to be filled with 100 ml of drive axle oil. Lubrication and maintenance of the rear axle of finished vehicles. Remove the edge cover between the two tires. Remove the top cover of the balance box. Use a medical syringe to extract 20 ml of drive axle oil, insert a long needle into the gap between the half-shaft bearing balls, and fill the drive axle oil inside the syringe into the flange. Both sides of the rear axle need to be filled with 100 ml of drive axle oil. In order to ensure reliable lubrication of the flange area, it is necessary to add lubricating oil in 2 balance boxes, and the oil level height needs to exceed the oil hole at the bottom of the flange by about 3 mm.